Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you about the SmartCash Scanner. This is my scanner, guys, the personal scanner I will be using and teaching you guys in every single session that will be going live on Akashx. Now this scanner is a little special to me because it has my strategy. It has most of the stuff that I had already taught you on my live sessions. If you don't know what I mean, you can go ahead and check my live recorded sessions. I have all the topics about the Ichimoku Cloud, the EMAs, everything that you need to know separately. You're going to learn it there as well. Now here you have the simplified version of every single video that I have recorded for the past months and years that I've been with Akashx. So let me explain you what it is. So this scanner, SmartCash, is pretty much an equilibrium, so it stays the difference between market forces. So it drives and identify dynamic balance points. What does that mean? Whenever the market has a big movement, for example, it either goes really high or really low, the market usually stabilizes or just stays in an area for quite a while, right? While it identifies a new trend, while identifies a new area to go to. For example, right here, you guys can see that the market went all the way up to the top, right? All the way up to that top. And then boom, it dropped. And then it stayed in this area for a little while until now we see the big drop. Now, guys, you see all of this buy signals. This is where it gets interesting. This is where we're going to apply what we learned and what also you can just see in the scanner at the moment. So before we get into there, first things first, when you enter the market, you see over here we have 3 time frames. Where? Over there, up there, all the way high. We have 3 time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. Okay, so you're going to look for whatever pair you want to look for, right? You guys know that I trade gold, I trade silver, I trade commodities, but you can use this in forex, right? Any other pair, and even binary options for those of you that are interested. Okay, but first things first, you check the time frame you want to trade. I usually do these 3 time frames anyways, so it's perfect. Now let's say we're gonna trade gold. So what do we see? That 2 minutes ago we got a new signal. 2 minutes ago we got a new signal for a sell at the entry price of 2360.97. Okay, that's a little too high, right? That's a little too high where the market is right now. So you gotta make sure that you're looking at the price that it's currently at. Okay, the scanner, it's great, but remember, it's not 100% perfect. Okay, but anyways, let's say that this was a sell right now, price was at the entry that it is right now. It gave us a 2-star confirmation, which is like, okay, it's a good trade, right? But if you see 3 stars, it's a great trade. It's an excellent trade. Right now we have a good trade. And what this is doing is just looking for the next equilibrium or the next stabilized area that we're going to trade in. Okay, that's all you need to know. How do you trade this? You trade this with the reversal strategy that I already taught you on Akashx, right? I already taught you this on a live session, and you can review that under my live sessions recordings. Now, how does it work? Let me teach you this over here. After we have the trend, we always wait until we see a reversal before entering the market. How do we use the scanner in our analysis, in our strategy, right? In the reversal strategy, we use SmartCash whenever we see a reversal that is correlating with the heavy area of liquidity or a candle confirmation or a support or resistance. So for example, we waited until the market stabilized here. You see this support zone by the Ichimoku cloud, indicating, we're still in an uptrend, so we're looking for buys. So we see over here and we, as soon as we see the new candle saying buy, we get in. What's the difference, guys? We're gonna get in for 20, 30 pips, max 40 pips profit for a one-on-one. What does that mean? That if I want to do 20 pips on profit, I got to do 20 pips on stop loss. If I want to do 30, I want to do 30 pips on stop loss too. So for example, this was a perfect, like I bet this was a 3-star trade. Why? Because we had the support area, plus we had the buy, and then this right here, guys, look, it went from 23.53 all the way up to 23.56. This was 30 clean pips that happened within 5 minutes. Okay. Now, I know a lot of you have seen me trade on tap to trade. Guys, this is what I use. This is my strategy. And the reason why I call so many tap to trades, because we look for reversal areas and we look for those 30, 40 sweet pips, okay, that the market is giving us. And so this right here, guys, perfect trade. What happened over here? Boom, more buys, more buys, more buys. And look at this. Most of them are the 20, 30 pip range. Now, over here, guys, look, what is going on? It kept respecting the same support area. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row. 7 times in a row that you could have gotten in and got money within 5 minutes. Okay. Amazing. For me, it's amazing. The reversal strategy, it's amazing when you understand the trend. Now, that's why we have the Ichimoku cloud, which is this green thing that you see over here. This green thing is called the Ichimoku cloud. Okay. And it's helping us identify the trend. And this blue line that you see over there, it's called the EMA, okay, which is a moving average exponential. This is also helping us identify the trend, which it's an uptrend. How do we know that? 1 is green, right? And then 2, the candles are above these indicators, right? Both the Ichimoku and the EMA. I hope this is making sense. And again, the thing you gotta just make sure to know is that you know that you're in an up or down trend, and that if you're going to use this for the reversal strategy, you can just make sure that you're looking at a support zone, or that you're looking at the Ichimoku cloud, and if it's touching, it's a good confirmation as well. Same with the EMA, okay? The next step right here is backtest. You're gonna go ahead and try this for yourself. You're never going to get it if you don't go and try it, okay? So make sure that you either have a demo account, or if you want to do it in your real account, in your funded account, doesn't matter. But just make sure that you're there trying it and doing it, okay? Because again, this works. This works. And last but not least, guys, remember when to exit. With this strategy, guys, we're looking for short trades. We're looking for short movements. Again, 20, 30, 40 pips can be done within minutes. So you gotta make sure that you know when you're exiting. Because if you put yourself in the mindset, it's like, I'm gonna hold this trade, you know, I want to make more. If you get greedy, then greed is gonna take you down. Okay. So just make sure that once you hit your 20, 30 pips sweet point, you gotta exit the trade. Okay. And again, making money in minutes, it's possible in any market. You just gotta know and have the right tools to make it happen. And that's what SmartCash it's here for. And that's what we are here for, to help you make those decisions, right? If you don't like short trades, you can switch to 15 minutes here, and then you can look for maybe longer trades, right? It's gonna be a little bit different, but you're gonna be in the market for 40 pips, 50 pips, maybe. So you just gotta make sure that you find what you like and then start implementing that, okay? And now look, whenever a new trend happens, now this is the last thing I will say, right? We have a downtrend. Whenever a new trend happens, some of these candles may go. If they go on the sell, like on the direction the market is going, you can get in. Look at that beautiful sell. Amazing. That gives us at least 100 pips, 100 freaking pips, guys. Now, the next step, once the trend it's like calm, You gotta wait until the market starts stabilizing. Remember the word equilibrium, stabilizing. This is the strategy, guys. You gotta make sure that you see the market stabilizing, and then you're gonna get new candles, right? Another thing that you can check over here is that if you don't see that this updated based on the, the time frame you're in, it's because there's not new entries. Okay, for example, right now we have one more minute in USD CAD until we see a new, for example, a new trade. Okay, boom, we got a new trade now because it's the minute candle. And so right now we got a new trade in USD JPY, boom, for a buy. We got a new trade on Bitcoin Cash for a sell. Okay, and you can just look and compare these things. All right, but this is it. I wanted to keep it simple, guys, because trading is simple, and now with SmartCash Scanner, it's even simpler. So thank you so much. Don't forget to go watch my live sessions and keep learning how to use SmartCash every day. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.